If you want full control over your Canva designs, learning how to move objects in your images is key. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open Canva on your computer and load the project you're working on. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with options like templates, photos, and text. For moving objects, we'll focus on the Elements tab, so go ahead and click on that. The Elements tab contains a wide variety of graphics, shapes, and objects that you can add to your design. Browse through the categories until you find something that fits your project. It could be a shape, icon, or decorative element. Once you find an element you like, click on it to add it to your canvas. Now comes the fun part, positioning your element exactly where you want it. Click on the element and you'll see small handles appear around it. And to move it, click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the element to your desired spot. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try placing it in different positions until it balances well with the other components of your design. Why is this important? The placement of your elements can affect how your image is perceived. Proper positioning guides the viewer's eye, emphasizes key points, and enhances the overall message you want to convey. You're not just moving objects, you're creating a visual story that communicates style, emotion, and focus. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can move objects in Canva with precision and creativity. The more you practice, the better you'll get at arranging elements to make your designs truly come alive. Give it a try and see how repositioning elements can transform your projects. Happy designing!